Hello guys, today I'm going to do a spinner wheel, but this is not a part 3, this is something that I want to do for bus spotting, so I'm going to I'm going to spin the wheel once and it will tell me which place I should bus spot next. Let's start! But before you watch the video, please like, subscribe, comment and more. Thank you and enjoy. Okay, so I have these options: Muswell Hill, West Hendon Broadway, Golders Green, Finchley, where I live in Finchley Central, North Finchley, or Mill Hill in near Mill Hill East. So let's spin to see where it tells me to go next. So that means the next place I'm going to bus spot is West Hendon Broadway, near Kingsbury. Alright then, that's it.